Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of classification of soil images using convolution neural network. So in this project, we have collected the data set of all the different types of soil images, and training is done through the CNN model, and testing is done through the once the training is done, we'll save the model based on it to predict the soil images. So now we go for the code. We type IDD. So now we can see the data set. So this is the data set of different soil types: black soil, cinder soil, laterite, and peat and yellow soil. So this is the black soil. We have collected the data set from Kaggle. So this is the cinder soil. And this one is laterite and peat soil. And this is the yellow soil. So this is how we have collected the data set. And these five types we train the model. So this is the training code. So these are the libraries we use to train the model. And this is the dataset types, soil images types. Five we have mentioned, and this is the dataset folder. So here we are loading the files. Once we load it, convert each image into the array form, then categorical, and split the dataset into train and test. Once it is splitted, print the categories, total images, and train and test images. After that, convert each image into the tensor form, then display the graph based on the history. So this is the defining the model, and these are the layers. Inside the layers, we have used filters, convolution size, and the shape of the input size, that is 224 cross 224, and 3 is the RGB channels. And flatten is used for to convert two dimension to one dimensional. And target we have used 5. Click on run model. So this is the graph of epoch and accuracy, loss, and this is the receiver operating characteristics gap, where along with you will get the sensitivity, precision, FN score, and recall score. Now we go for the testing code. Click on run model. Select any one of the images from the dataset. So this is the original image, the gray image. So you get the given images, black soil. You can check another input. So get the clear image created is similar soil.